Hello friends, we welcome you all to watch how skin transformation scenario works. In this clip we transforms skin surface to smoother one surface. Let's have a look on before after work. Let's start our visual journey towards the skin smoothening with Photoshop app tools and options. For working on skin smoothening, an analysis over the pic is needed, then make a list of steps to be followed. Then start working on them step by step. As you can see, we had also made few steps. So keep watching all these steps with us. First we remove blemishes and pimples with the help of Heal tool. Healing tool helps us a lot for this. Move over to the eyes and do corrections to make it better. Stamp tool helps us a lot for this. Now move over to the lips, and do red color corrections, to make it better. Make selection with selection tool. Set the red color levels, in such a way, that appear to be natural. After using Heal and Stamp tool, we select face or arms or other skin areas, and brightens up those skin colors. Also we can correct color levels, so that it look better than before. Now compare before after work. Here in this whole process, we come to know the power of Healing tool, Stamp tool, Selection tool and color levels and color brightness options. So that's all here, we ends up with this clip, and hope that all steps are understandable, in an easy way. Watch out our another clip, on text transformation, for shapes.